Hi friends, it's me, Arjun. I'm doing grade 4. Welcome to the learning series, Learn Along with Arjun. Are you excited to learn English? Let's begin. Today we are going to see about parts of speech. In English, words are classified into different categories based on their function and how they work in sentences. These categories are called parts of speech. Are you confused? Let me tell you a sentence. What I am doing? Arjun is drinking water. Now this is the sentence. Arjun is drinking water. Here the nouns are Arjun, water, and the verb is drinking. Here Arjun is the main subject because the sentence is about Arjun. Arjun is the name of the person, and what he is doing? He is drinking water. Here, drinking is the action performed by Arjun. So, is drinking is a verb. There is one more noun in the sentence, which is water. So, in order to frame a sentence, we need different categories of parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech. How many I said? 8. I'll tell you the names and few examples alone in this video. I will tell you the explanation and in the upcoming video. Nouns. Examples: Arjun, Chennai, cat. The next is pronouns. Examples: he, she, it, I, you, they, we, and there are many more. Verbs. These are action verbs. Example: run, walk, drink. Adjectives. Example: happy, red, big, etc. Next is adverbs. Example: loudly, quickly. Preposition. Prepositions are position words. Example: on, under, over, above. Next is conjunctions. They are joining words. Example: and, but, because. The last one is interjections. Example: hooray! Wow! Oh! Understanding the parts of speech is essential because it helps us to construct clear and grammatically correct sentences. It also improves our ability to communicate effectively whether we are speaking or writing. By using the parts of speech correctly, we can enhance our language skills and understand how English works. That's all about today. In the next session, we shall see about parts of speech one by one. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from me, Arjun. Before we sign off, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.